Hi guys, it's Latoya here. Just wanted to share a quick tip with you. Whenever you have a leather that's really gorgeous but challenging to use, it could stress out your machine and even stress you out. One thing you want to do is kind of reduce that thickness in between the layers that are being sewn together. So what I have here is this handy dandy skiver or skive tool. So you'll use this to shave off a little bit of the layer of skin, I guess I want to say, but not too much because you don't want to thin the leather out, but definitely where you have plies of 2 or more layers of thickness in a seam, you definitely want to reduce that down. So I put in a fresh blade, and basically I'm just going to skive all 4 sides, because I am going to be sewing all 4 sides of this particular piece together to join to other pieces to create a handbag. So you'll have to kind of find out the temperature. Basically, like driving a car, you don't want to press too hard because you'll go super duper fast. But in this case, if you press hard, you might cut right through the leather. So that's what you don't want to do. But these blades, they come in like a pack of, I think it's about 8 or 10 blades. It's fairly inexpensive, but the blades do not last long at all. So even with the fresh blade, it starts out really nice. But then, as you can see, I'm going down the 3rd side, and already it's kind of like not as smooth as it was when I first started on that opposite side. So just a little quick tip for you to take the challenge out of, your fingers becoming numb, having to turn a bag correct side out that's super thick, and even stressing out your sewing machine. Even though you're using the highest level of a needle, you might still have difficulty showing through by way of the thread jamming up, or even your needle continuously breaking. So I hope this tip helps you out, and you'll be surprised how much of a wonder it is. So thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.